and come and meet the Sal Cathedral, the most beautiful Sal main in the world. The Sal Cathedral is an enclosed pool inside the Zipaquirá Sal Mains in the department of Cundinamarca, Colombia. The municipal of Zipaquirá stands out for the temperate climate and the one of the most tourist mains in the country, where you can enter and take tour inside the main, where you can see different scoops and tunnels. They are engaged. Means of transportation. There are several options to get to Sal Cathedral, including public bus, train, hotel. There is wide variety of hotels and cabins where you can stay. Among the best hotels is Camino Real due to its proximity to the Sal Cathedral and its comfort. Praised for tourists, some rooms have terraces or balconies. The hotel offers buffet breakfast to for or Wi-Fi tourist advice and transportation so you can move during your stay. Activity to do. On the first day, you can take a tour of the trunk of Zipaquirá, visit the main part of the municipal and the shore. On the second day, you can go to the Sal Cathedral and take the miners to where you will be able to observe the statues, the water mirror, and the tunnels they refer to way of close. On the last day, you can take a walk along the royal paths of municipal time content religious routes. Durant of trip. The trip will last 3 days, 3 days and 2 nights, where from day 1 you can stay in a kind or hotel and enjoy the week the after. On the two you can enter the San Cathedral and very early in the world tour. To finish day 3 you can walk the royal routes of the municipio of Zipaquirá. They contain religious routes. Zipaquirá enjoy a mountain climate which generates an average temperature of in the city, which classified as warm weather. Gastronomy. One of the typical foods of the municipal of Zipaquirá is the many dishes made out of meat, longaniza, pork ribs, black pudding, chicken, avocado, and beer potatoes. The typical drink of the city of Zipaquirá is guarapo, an alcoholic beverage made from sugar cane. Shisha is an alcoholic beverage brewed from the fermentation and cure of other cereals. Cost. The cost is the people with Colombian pesos train Bogotá, Zipaquirá, Bogotá route, train to Sal Cathedral with a premium passport and 3-day accommodation and two weeks with food include Camino de Sal Hotel. Thank you so much.